Hello, Ballinger Creek students. Happy American Education Week. This is a week in which we celebrate the partnership between public education and our students and families. Under a normal environment, we invite your moms and dads and loved ones into our school to participate in some of your learning. However, we know this school year, your families have been such an important part of your learning already. So we thought we would do something a little bit different and have some fun. Therefore, we're inviting Ballinger Creek's favorite magician, Joe Romano, to our school to provide a Zoom online magic show. So please remind your families to be on the lookout for our Ballinger Creek Find Out First. This will outline the Zoom link in which you will attend our virtual magic show. And there's a few household items which you can gather up so that you can even participate in creating some of that magic. Boys and Girls, American Education Week and every week is the perfect time to highlight our partnership and how much we can achieve together. It really is a magical thing. So I hope we'll see you on Thursday at 6:30 and we're going to have some fun.